You are going to want to put this phrase on your wall. This is message 496 and day 11 in the Serene 15 Challenge. And this message is dedicated to Joanne Elizabeth. When you hear the word discipline, you may associate it with things like spanking, harsh routines, or rigid structure. You need to reframe discipline. You should think of it more in the sense of controlling energy. You are like a raging river or wild vine. Water that breaks its banks and flows unimpeded can do a lot of damage. I've had pipes burst a couple of times in houses I've owned. When water starts gushing outside the channels it's supposed to flow through, it can create quite a mess quickly. Our energy can work the same way. Niagara Falls on the US-Canada border flows 3,160 tons of water over its edge every second. 3,160 tons. That's 758,400 gallons of water every second. It's hard to comprehend these amounts. Maybe you've been there and felt the spray of water as you're standing hundreds of feet away. The power is enormous, and this has been flowing for thousands and thousands of years. But as far as human impact is concerned, all the energy generated had been wasted for those thousands and thousands of years until 1896, when Nikola Tesla created a device to harness the energy and generate electricity that is used hundreds of miles away. This natural wonder had been a powerhouse of electricity for generations now, thanks to Tesla's ingenuity to tame this enormous power. Just like Niagara Falls, you have enormous potential within you. There is energy that can do amazing things. You have creative energy, compassionate energy, economic energy, nurturing energy, tremendous energy for good. But it must be tamed. It must be harnessed. It must be disciplined. How your future unfolds depends on discipline. Your destiny is dependent on your discipline. Discipline equals destiny. There is all kinds of energy flowing through you, but you have to discipline this natural wonder that you have been given. You have to discipline your thoughts. You have to discipline your desires. You have to discipline your tongue. You have untold potential, but it will never be realized if you will not harness it, channel it, do what needs to be done at the right place, at the right time, in the right way. This is not about legalism or limiting your freedoms. This is about unleashing potential. It will never be realized if you aren't willing to tame yourself. Discipline equals destiny.